Tawad. Go. Slow. Tawad. Sunod. Good.
God-loving men for country's sake, offers men a mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service to the Guru Bolivarity. Where eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace and noble mission. Where eagles, the truth of people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In this vessel of human care, we will share our lives to full humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace of noble mission. We're eagles, the fruit of people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In this vessel of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang Civil War!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang tunay na Agila!
Mabuhay ang tunay na Agila!
Mabuhay!
Okay, kaya please sit down.
President Eagle Ronald de los Santos, Kuya MP, sir. To our Vice President for Visayas, Kuya Bronson Piñas, sir. To our Regional Governor, Kuya Jomen Mendaros, to the Regional Governor of Siberia 18, to the past Governor of Siberia 18, Kuya Tapayan, sir. To other club presidents, president of the different club of under CBR4, to the Kuyas present, maayong gabi sa atong tanan. It is with great joy here today for this significant occasion of the installation, induction of the club officers and regional officers of CBR4 and CBR18 of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Philippine Eagles. This ceremony not only marks the beginning of a new chapter in our organization, but also serves as a powerful reminder of the commitment to brotherhood, service, and leadership. We are honored to be joined by two distinguished individuals who represent the heart and soul of our fraternity: the National President, Kuya Ronald de los Santos, and the Vice President for Visayas, Kuya Bronson Piña. Their presence today is a reflection of the unity and strength of our national organization, and we are grateful for their support and leadership. To my fellow incoming officers of CBR4 and CBR18, today is a day of both honor and responsibility. We have been entrusted in guiding this region forward, and our leadership will shape the future of our organization. As Eagles, we carry the values of service, integrity, and dedication, and it is now our turn to lead with same passion and commitment that has brought us to this moment. Let us remember that leadership is not just a title, but a service to others. May we lead with humility, compassion and a heart full of dedication to the Fraternal Order of Eagles and the communities we serve. Today's ceremony marks the beginning of our journey as officers of the different clubs and the regions as we take on these new roles. Now that the entire membership stands behind us, ready to support and uplift one another in the pursuit of our shared goals. Thank you all for being here this evening to witness the important event. May we continue to uphold the ideas of the Eagles and work hand in hand to make a lasting impact of those around us. Once again, mayong gabi and mabuhay ang Agila!
Boy!
Can we stand for a while and let us heartily express this Eagles pledge? I, having consciously subscribed
consciously subscribe
to the Eagles Constitution
to the Eagles Constitution
and the bylaws,
and divine laws,
rules and regulation of the Philippine Eagles,
rules and regulation of the Philippine Eagles,
and aware of my responsibility
and aware of his responsibility
to my God and country,
to my God and country,
do hereby pledge
do hereby be pledged
to promote and defend at all times
to pure and repair of all times
said Eagles Constitution
said Eagles Constitution
and bylaws
and bylaws
and their ideas
and other ideas
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
within my power and capacity.
and with my power and capacity.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, mga kuya.
Mark on today's program, I would like to take a brief moment to convey our heartfelt appreciation for your presence here with us. First and foremost, a warm welcome to our esteemed guests who have journeyed from near and far to be part of this occasion. Your attendance significantly enriched this gathering, and we are genuinely thankful for your time and effort. I must extend a special note of our gratitude to no other than our Kuya National President Ronald F. De Los Santos, our National President for Eagle Year 2024 and 2026. Kuya BP for Visayas Bronson Peña. Kuya Tito Purgatorio, Governor of CBR 18. Kuya Romy Tabayan, the past charter governor and now the vice governor of CBR 18. Kuya Noel Nino Alusada, the deputy chairman on membership and screening for Visayas. Kuya Noel Humawan, the chief of staff for vice president for Visayas. Kabase, the president of the United Noble Consul. Kuya Ed Mangabay, the president. Kuya Michael Arrogante, the president of the United Tabugon Eagles Club. Kuya Loctel Rocasa, the president of the Candula United Eagles Club, whose invaluable contribution have been crucial in bringing this event to fruition. Your relentless commitment and dedication serve as an inspiration for us all as we are reached for excellence. Additionally, I wish to shine a light on your dedicated organizing committee and volunteers. Their tireless efforts behind the scene have ensured that each detail is flawlessly executed. Your passion and hard work are the very foundation of this event, and we truly could not have achieved it without you. Lastly, I want to express my appreciation for each one of you in the audience. Your active participation and support breathe life into gathering like this, transforming them into meaningful experiences. We encourage you to engage in today's discussion and share your thoughts. Once again, thank you all for being here. Let us together forge a memorable and enriching experience. I forgot the president of the United Continental Eagles Club, Kuya Jose Mendaros Jr. and our incoming governor of New CBR 4. Thank you.
Run O na kung magkulas ka ba, ikaw na. Ano sama ka? Oo. Oo.
John. So, 5? 6. Uman niya si Kuya Gob. Unya na lang na Kuya Gob. Okay. Please raise your right hand for the oath of officers. I, Eagle, state your name. Having been elected to the position of state your position and your club. A club duly affiliated to the Paternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Incorporated, subscribing to the Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, Paternal Socio-Civic Organization, do hereby solemnly make out that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles and by my club, in having consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, with my national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations mga Pepres. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Congratulations po. Officer, Regional Governor of CVR 18 and CVR 4. So I hope na tuloy-tuloy na yung ating pagtakbo dito sa ating national national government. Pakitias ang kanang kamay at sumunod sa I, Eagle, state your name. Having been elected as governor, state your region. A region duly affiliated to the Paternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Incorporated, subscribing to the Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, Paternal Socio-Civic Organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles and by my club, and having consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of congratulations mga kuya ko, and pakibaba ang kanang kamay. Kuya, congrats. Good luck po sa ating lahat. Okay, i-congratulate natin ang ating mga new governors.
Kuya ko. Kuya ko. Kuya ko.
We dedicate fraternal love, self-respect for humanity. The Philippine Eagles, lasting peace and noble mission. Eagles, the people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve. Is equality and unity. Investments of human care.
Boleh ko kuya?
The Philippine Eagles, lasting peace and noble mission. Where eagles spread through the people, pillars of the nation. Brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality and unity. Investments in all human care. Our liberty.
Ano ka gawin ng picture dito?
Orang mag-gobernador sa
Ando nga gawin ng kaya picture dito. Ando nga gawin ng
Video.
Of the Fraternal Order of Eagle, Philippine Eagle Incorporated, united as one. Mga kuya, nala ko i-share ninyo gamay lang ang bubi niya, kuya. Is the story about upat ka kuya. Naraliha, kuya. Okay. Everybody, kuya somebody, kuya anybody, and kuya nobody. There was an important job to be done. Everybody was asked to do it. Everybody was sure somebody would do it. Anybody could have done it, but nobody did it. Somebody got angry about that because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought anybody could do it. Everybody realized that everybody wouldn't do it. It ended up everybody blamed somebody. Diba kuya? Nabasa niyo? Asa mo tanong bilong ani kuya? Depende na lang sa ato ang konsensya. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. We need to rebuild. We overhaul our region. A word of wisdom from Henry Ford, and I quote, "Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Trust in knowing when a kuya push you, they're doing it because they care about each and every one of us." And I always quote, mga kuya, alone we can do so little. For together, we can do so much. Wonderful. Mayong gabi sa atong tanan.
Yes!
Call our national president.
I hereby declare that the installation and induction of new officers of CVR 4 and CVR 18 is now adjourned.